Delete.
She get query to answer. As in, why she go kiss person in the first place? When I did there, my own lips don't dry. Waiting do my lips so she can't go kiss another person's lips. She gets answer query now, sure, and you feel it to break up, sure. Like it's very sensitive stuff. So
Although I go release, I go verify first whether not true or not lie, and I go check it. I go check again, make I watch if not true or not lie. And I know the decision instantly. I have to wait. I need to wait, check whether man still give am time, check if not true or not lie.
Delete. For her to be doing that, definitely they don't do past that one. Hey, delete.
First thing I need to do is to investigate very well to actually know the truth. Now, if it is true, I know the devil is at work. Now, I think what I need to do is personal.
Delete.
The first thing I go do now to summon my partner, ask her questions. You understand? From her reaction, I go now know whether not true or lie. You understand? So I go still find more facts from other people, where they around that, where fit witness the situation. The thing where don't happen. So before I go begin act, know what thing I go do about them. So I ain't be the same. I don't go just go the act when I never get facts. You understand? I need to find the truth, find out the truth first.
Delete.
I bet what you go do if person can tell una say una partner they kiss somebody else.
Delete. That's the new word. Delete.
Delete.
And you don't delete that. You delete like this. That guy that no nonsense.
Exactly.
Delete.
You know what? Delete. Just delete straight up. But basically, you know, say you they talk say you never talk finish that actual time because showman talk say you will say when you see you don't rush. Delete. Now, the point now be this. I really want to make you tell us because basically I know say merely seeing you be able to say you go there at least 60% jealous.
This one, 101 jealousy fully body. I don't see a feeling.
I say like you now go to use phone the pursue boyfriend.
Nah.
You want to know whether you don't chop.
Why did they say no? It's not a bad thing.
It's a bad thing, though.
God is your God is a jealous God. So
now, how what thing you even really do? Just tell us what you go do because you be woman. You know, women they pepper on a pass.
Okay, at first, the girl come meet me say, she see my boyfriend, they kiss person for road. I go first call her, ask him, call my boyfriend, say, guy, I hear say na so and so you do. She not true. You understand?
Are you expecting when you call your boyfriend?
I'm not saying he go lie. He go lie.
So why do
you
so
don't
why
believe
ask
that
him?
kind thing.
So why ask him? Why?
You
know
have
say
to
the guy
ask.
go lie.
They said one day, every day is for the thief, one day is for the owner.
So why not wait for your one day to catch him?
At least I'm still going to
So
catch him.
now when you
one day.
catch him, kiss him, what are you gonna do?
Seriously, that girl go see slap.
Why girl or the guy?
No,
Why
the
would you
girl first.
excuse me?
I
Never
beg.
you ever.
Why would you be
never
violent?
you ever.
I beg.
Never you ever go and beat up another person.
Why
Your
would you-
man.
Why wait?
Your man wey don't like give that guy if he don't like give the girl. Say he's
If you tell the
single.
girl saying no get girlfriend,
You want me to go slap the girl?
you want to go
Now
slap the
your
girl.
man. Now you go know that you
Then
do
say
that
person
slap.
where you dey follow buy market. Now you go look, no be people
Not
waiting
many
for
people,
market.
oh.
So what you why?
Now, in fact, no, that one, you know that kind of thing now, till we reach house, that one go be.
So on the
Now,
spot,
when you
as
reach-
you dey sound with the girl on the spot, you dey
They dey
lounge
kiss.
the girl straight.
See, now the girl first.
You slap the girl.
Now the girl, I beg.
You let me tell you, and this is advice to everybody when they watch her because this her own pattern. Now her own pattern is not very good because let me tell you what you do to yourself now.
Oh, what?
First, you go turn yourself into a mad person because that girl will be crazy person. When they fight, your husband go first go house. The next thing go talk say
Now
you
husband
go,
you call now.
whatever
No,
it is,
the guy.
boyfriend and the guy. You go
Go
say
waka go house.
he go call you an embarrassment. That you publicly embarrass him.
Okay, wait. If you go say for road, you go slap her. What if you go catch her in the crack? What you go do?
Oh, this one, she will stab the
You
person.
know what's happening, say?
She will choke
One.
the person knife. This girl.
I don't be good to come like.
You will slap
you
girl
know-
for outside. You know if you go choke.
See, for outside, I beg, no, I don't fit take calm.
But do you know they are
No,
different?
but if you can't catch them where they crank, now they ask.
You know what? If I catch them where they do that kind of thing, at first I don't go do anything.
Oh,
no go
cranky,
like
you
say
no
I
go
no
do anything.
I no go do as if I say anything.
So you don't go touch the girl.
I
when
no
you
go
dey
do
see.
no, I no go do as if I
For
say
kissing.
anything.
Do you know
for
what? You know
there.
that kissing is something that
I
you should be
understand,
able to give
but now the
anybody
guy go suffer
anytime.
am. That's the end. What
Let me
else?
tell
How
you,
am I wasting
kissing,
time?
I should be able to walk up to you now and then kiss you. Kissing is not about, it's not,
It mustn't be a French kiss.
no, we don't even define the kiss. They carry kiss for this country as if now one big thing.
For example, now not be abroad we dey now.
If we dey
How
act
you go
movie,
kiss?
don't
Which
see
kind
kiss?
thing? Now on a movie, we not see na movie.
Oh!
Abeg.
So movie.
I
You
no go
dey
use that kind
kiss.
thing. No. I don't feel good that kind thing. I no go
Showman.
talk, but na break up.
Showman, I need you to kiss this girl before the end of the show.
We say waiting.
I am moved.
I need you
I am
to plant the
excited.
kiss before the end of the show.
Oh.
But let's do CC opinion. When we come back, we shall
You
be
are
planting the
daring,
kiss.
you are
We are
daring
coming
me.
back. Let
You
us
are-
prepare
you are
to plant
daring
the
me.
kiss.
I go first of all find out whether they are true. If say not true, I go ask them why. Then do what I want to do.
Sure, you know, say if person see that kind thing, definitely go dey angry.
The first thing I go first do is say I will try to I want to witness it with my own eyes before I can believe what the person say. I can't just believe what the person say without not seeing or have evidence to what he or she is saying.
I will not do anything. What I'll do be say I'll just come on my eye there because I know once I focus on that thing, it will not be work out as I think. So it's better you cool down.
I have to ask him first because some people are jealous of one relationship. So I have to confirm from him, maybe it's true or not, or just hold it. Then maybe when such happen, I caught him red-handed. Then I will know the next thing.
Okay, I'll ask him the reason he did that, and if it is reasonable enough, there's no point breaking up. I'll take him.
Well, you know, say for Oyibo, kissing don't mean anything. But for Naija, as if you take a last cut person just because of kissing, no? So, what thing I go do? Well, I go ask am who be that first. If he be say na one kind ex, you know all those ex thing now, and maybe just kiss, and maybe after that day they no go even see again sef. So, well, I no go do anything. No go do anything like that.
But you suppose take your time, take ask question why that person they do wetin him dey do. Because if it be say the fault, now if it be from your own side, and if the fault no be from your own side, now from there you go know how you go take handle that matter. Because you need to understand why the person they do am first. But if you don't understand why the person they do am first, maybe you just jump into conclusion or say you won't just judge a person like that. You no go dey okay. Find out why the person they do am first. Then from there you go continue with wetin you wan do.
Okay, welcome back. This one I see your show, Bobos Yarn, and then we see the on top of the matter. Say what you go do if person tell you say you see your partner they kiss another person. And one madam there talk say for America they kiss. Yes, America we know they can kiss, but
you know
they kiss and make the next partner see you because
exactly.
jealousy is everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, Beyonce will not go and kiss another man.
There's a kiss you will kiss to just greet somebody.
Exactly.
By
That's
the
by the
cheek.
cheek.
I love Americans because if an American girl like you, even if she get boyfriend or you get girlfriend, she go still stay somewhere and kiss you. Tell you, say, look, this kiss is to tell you that I love you, but I'm already with somebody. I cannot be with you. We have shared that one. You go. It's a secret. In Nigeria here, you can't see a girl like this now that she's dying for you. Then she will naturally say she want to kiss you.
Lie.
But why? Why? We are not really in this country.
No, Nigerian girls.
It's not what I'm saying, Craig. It's kiss. And doctors say kissing is good for the body.
It is unspeakable now.
Must it be with other person?
Oh, you don't know kiss is good for the body.
Let me
what
tell
happened to that doctor that said 3 rounds of cranking every morning is good for the heart?
Oh God. I'm reading tweets.
Come on.
Please, can we say something?
Blessing Gozi. Blessing Gozi. He said I go overlook him because I don't even trust the person when they tell me that until I witness him. So like see Jill Kenix Adejose, they say seeing is believing. Until I see him before I go believe. Cause na Naija we dey. I mean say Naija they can shout like. Benedicta, a Terigo, a Derigo. This girl, you are
Regular.
You are regular, and
Your
a
hair
very,
girl, yeah.
and this girl know well. Here's the shit talk. He said, I could just ask am plain and simple, and if he dey knack the chick, na threesome winner. And no fish out, laugh out loud. I want you, just send me your personal number. Just send me your personal number. I like the fact that
the threesome is involved.
The threesome is involved. I want to see how I am still a virgin. I want to see how threesome looks like. So let me start from there. Grace Joshua Oluchukwu say, I go investigate police. Because it can be true or false. You are a policeman like that man will be police and pastor. I will investigate. And then I will work of the devil. And then might be the work of the devil. Everything is devil.
So,
but really, you know, say this thing, if person can basically can't tell you that kind of thing where you don't really see them, it now boils down to the level of trust between you and your partner. Because if you trust them, if they tell you that kind of thing, you go overlook them. You go do your mind. But when you come ask them, the way we go take ask them, nobody say they ask them with fight. But if that trust no day, on the spot where they tell you, you they ping them, you they call them, you they text them.
I'm looking at that angle from that. One of our guy we do for Agogo on the street. We talk say whether in lips, he own lips
get problem.
Now, I'm thinking, if my girlfriend kiss another man, that's already a sign say something did wrong with me and her as relationship wise. Either she's planning of leaving me, she never know how to tell me. If you cherish this girl, you love this girl so much, you hear, say your girlfriend is kiss person, you have to now find a way.
They don't want to pursue us.
Are you hearing me? You hear say your girlfriend is kiss person, you must now find a way to solve the problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't be to come the first go come the and say you were kissing. If I come back, I will kiss Daniel. My name is
so
Daniel.
basically, you know, say just give me one word. You go fight, you go quarrel.
No. Just make peace. Like it's good to ask questions. I think when you ask question, you get an answer. Is it that he says the truth or he lies to you? But you now be the one to decide to pick one of the two, the truth or the lies. So
basically, now here we go draw. Which come on top of my
kiss this girl. Can I kiss this girl?
Please go and kiss. Good night. We want to kiss.
I want to kiss, please.
Good night.
Kiss me,
wondering all night, pondering how is it you TV my heart. Sunshine coming in is a blessing, you believe me, the kai we will never be apart. Sit girl up, wondering all night, pondering how is it you TV my heart. Sunshine coming in is a blessing, you believe me, the kai we will never be apart. Sit I want you to know that I love you, baby. I need you to know that I love you, baby. I want you to know that I want you, baby. I need you to know that I never leave you for you all that
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.